What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to find out derivative of 1 plus cosine 2t to the power of negative 4. So we need to find dy over dt. So that's in terms of u to the power of n. When you find out derivative, it's going to be n times u to the power of n minus 1 times u prime. So we need to find out this derivative. So it's going to be negative 4 times 1 plus cosine 2t to the power of negative 5 times derivative of 1 plus cosine 2t is going to be negative 2 sine 2t. So that's going to be negative 4 times negative 2 is going to be positive 8. 1 plus cosine 2t to the power of negative 5 times sine 2t. That's going to be the final answer. Just going to show you another type of example. You have 1 equals to 1 plus cotan t over 2 to the power of negative 2. So dy over dt is going to be negative 2 times 1 plus cotan t over 2 to the power of negative 3, because negative 2 minus 1 is going to be negative 3, times the derivative of 1 plus cotan t over 2. Derivative of 1 is 0. Derivative of cotan t over 2 is going to be 1 over 2 times negative 1 over 2 times cotan. It's going to be cosecant squared of t over 2. Then negative 2 and negative 1 over 2, they cancel out. It's going to be 1. So we have cosecant squared of t over 2, that's 2, over 1 plus cotan of t over 2 to the power of 3. Because this one is negative 3, if you want to make it positive, you just need to bring it in denominator. So now this part is going to be the final answer to this question. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and have a great day.